Yo, what's up everybody, and let me tell you, I am hyped for this one. We're about to take you on a wild ride through Mobile, Alabama. We're talking history, culture, and food, people. Get ready to dive into the heart and soul of Mobile, because we're about to uncover all the hidden gems this city has to offer. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for an adventure. Let's go. Alright, first up, check this out. This is Mobile from above, and let me tell you, this city comes alive at night. Look at those lights reflecting off the water. It's got this energy, this vibe that pulls you in. You can feel the history in the air, the soul in the streets. We're about to hit the streets, explore the hidden alleys, and uncover the stories that make Mobile so unique. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So stick around, because this is where the real adventure begins. Alright, we're in the heart of downtown Mobile now, and this place is a history buff's dream. The streets are lined with buildings that have stood the test of time. Look at these buildings, man. Each one tells a story of a bygone era. The architecture here is insane. The intricate details and craftsmanship are just mind-blowing. You can practically feel the history seeping from the walls. It's like stepping into a different time period. Every brick, every window, it's like it has a story to tell. You can almost hear the whispers of the past. We're talking about the USS Alabama, a legendary battleship that saw it all. This ship is a floating museum of history. Walking those decks, it's like stepping back in time. You can almost feel the presence of the sailors who once served here. You can practically hear the echoes of the sailors who served on board. Their stories are etched into every corner of this ship. Mobile's got this way of blending the old with the new. It's a city where history and modernity coexist beautifully. You've got these historic streets lined with trendy cafes and art galleries, making it a vibrant and dynamic place to explore, creating this cool contrast that's impossible to resist. It's a city that truly offers the best of both worlds. Okay, let's talk about the important stuff. Food. And not just any food, but the kind that makes you want to dance with joy. Mobile's food scene is off the charts, and we're about to dive in head first. First up, seafood. The freshest catches you can imagine. We're on the Gulf Coast, people. You know it's gonna be fresh. We're talking shrimp, oysters, and more. Fish so good, it'll make you want to slap somebody. The flavors are out of this world, and don't even get me started on the barbecue. We're talking slow-smoked meats, tangy sauces, and that perfect char. Sides that'll make you want to lick the plate clean. From coleslaw to baked beans, it's all mouth-watering. It's the kind of barbecue that'll make you want to move to Mobile just to be closer to it. Seriously, it's that good. And for all you sweet tooths out there, Mobile's got you covered. We're talking beignets, those fluffy powdered sugar delights. Pralines, those nutty caramelized treats, and bread pudding that's just to die for. So loosen your belt, grab a fork, and get ready to indulge, because Mobile's food scene is about to blow your mind. Trust me, you won't regret it. Alright, let's talk about nightlife, because Mobile knows how to party. We're talking live music, festivals, and a vibe that's contagious. First up, jazz. Mobile is the birthplace of jazz, and you can feel that legacy everywhere you go. We're talking smoky jazz clubs, street performers blowing their hearts out, a rhythm that gets in your soul and makes you want to move. And then there are the festivals. Mobile knows how to throw a party, and they don't hold back. We're talking Mardi Gras, the granddaddy of them all. So whether you're a jazz enthusiast, a festival fanatic, or just looking for a good time, Mobile's nightlife scene has got you covered. Okay, we've explored the city, indulged in the food, and experienced the nightlife. The city has its own charm with its vibrant energy and endless activities. But now let's shift gears and dive into the natural wonders that Mobile has to offer. Now it's time to soak up some of that natural beauty that Mobile has to offer. First up, the bay. This serene body of water is a haven for both locals and visitors alike. The sunsets here are unreal. Imagine the sky painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple reflecting off the calm waters. We're talking vibrant colors, breathtaking views, the kind of scenery that makes you want to pull out your phone and take a million pictures. It's a photographer's dream come true. The bay is a playground for all sorts of activities. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who prefers a leisurely pace, there's something for everyone. You can go kayaking, paddleboarding, fishing, or just relax on the beach and soak up the sun. The options are endless and the experience is always rewarding. Mobile is home to some beautiful parks, perfect for a morning jog, a relaxing picnic, or just escaping the hustle and bustle of the city. These green spaces offer a refreshing break and a chance to reconnect with nature. So whether you're a beach bum, an outdoor enthusiast, or just looking for a peaceful escape, Mobile's natural beauty won't disappoint. It's a place where you can truly unwind and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. So there you have it, guys. Mobile, Alabama, a hidden gem on the Gulf Coast. From history and culture to food and nightlife, this city has it all. There are so many more hidden gems to uncover, so many more stories to tell. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and come experience Mobile for yourself.